has stirred, the tide has turned. The hands once guided are folded in peace.
Kia ora, oku mokopuna, oku whanaunga, ngā tamariki o tōku prata, tōku tūngāne a Wayne. This song is for you, the children of my brother. I know the years have not always been easy, but love endures, even when the words are lost. Your father's story was not simple, yet he was part of our whānau, part of our beginning at the lake. And you, his children, you carry the light forward. This Waiata is a cloak for you, a song to remind you that Aroha never dies. It only changes shape, from voice to memory, from pain to peace. As you listen, may you feel the strength of our ancestors and the love of your whānau around you. This is a song of love for Wayne's children.
The wind has stirred, the tide has turned. The hands once guided are folded in peace. The words were sharp and hearts were burned. Love remains, it does not cease. Children of the lake, children of the flame, carry the light, not the pain of his name. What was broken can rest now, what was lost can mend. For Aroha flows on without beginning or end. He walked his road with shadows near, but you, my darlings, are sunlight clear. The past may whisper, but let it fade. You are the stars your ancestors made. Cry if you must, sing if you can. Let your breath find its shape in the sand. For every tear that falls to the ground, an ancestor's hand is gently found. Children of the lake, children of the flame, carry the light, not the pain of his name. What was broken can rest now, what was lost can mend. For Aroha flows on without beginning or end. Go forward in peace, our mokopuna. Let love be your cloak, let truth be your guide. Your father has gone to his journey's end, and the light of your whānau stands at your side. Stands at your side. Stands at your
The song has ended, but the Aroha remains. In every ripple of the lake, in every quiet flame that still burns. His memory lives, not in sorrow, but in the love that you carry forward. Though life takes and life gives, the bond of whānau do not break. They just change shape, becoming light, becoming strength, becoming peace. Moe mai rā e te tungane. Rest well, my brother. Your children walk on beneath the sky you once knew, guided by your Aroha, wrapped in the prayers of those who remember. Kia tau te rangi māria ki a koe katoa. May peace dwell with you all. So this little song is dedicated with love to the children of Wayne Heremaia from Aunty Josie and whānau.